Hi guys, welcome back to Exterior Cleaning Xpert. Today we got some different exterior surface cleaning, which means some UPVC plastic roof around the house and a patio. I'll show you more details when I get there. Bit of light rain today. This is the Leicester Tigers rugby ground. I'm passing now. Due to the rain, a bit late start today, but never mind. In the evening it's going to be nice and sunny, I hope. That is the Leicester prison. Have you ever been there? So this is the High Cross building in the city center of Leicester. It's a lovely shopping mall. If you come to Leicester, you can have a visit. We also need rainy days, isn't it? To cooling us a little bit down. Because in the summer heat, you can't survive otherwise. The trees, all these trees and plants, they need water. As human, we need water as well. So rain is part of our life. I like rain. Do you? So guys, this is the house I'm going to clean today. All the exterior windows at the end. The problem is I have a difficult gutter to clear as well. This side of the gutter was not included in my original quote. Normally I was giving the quote to do these polycarbonated roofs around the house, including all the UPVCs, the windows, skylight roofs, and the patio slabs. So when the customer was asking about to clear this gutter, I straight away said yes, because the customer, she is a pensioner. The second thing is, she is paying a decent amount to do all this stuff, to include that gutter. It took only a half an hour to 1 hour extra anyway. So all this stuff I can finish in one day. I'm happy what she was agreed to pay. That's why I agreed to do that one as well, to give her more value to the job. Not only that, I have also included the whole path inside slabbing area, as well as on the backyard some concrete surface as well. So this is the patio I'm going to clean later in the afternoon. Some grimy steps and the path. Look at this beautiful small garden. Lovely summer flowers are there. Beautiful. And let's clean this as well, all the way up to there. Maybe we'll clear the concrete as well, if the time is allow us. So all the windows, including these two sunlight roofs. Hi buddy, hello. Girl, yeah. So this dirty UPVC plastic we're going to clean as well. I'm going to spray UPVC liquid, purely just the UPVC liquid, and pressure wash it with the rotary surface cleaner, putting this pressure down up to 80 bar, and that will do the job. And hope you will enjoy the job today, and stay tuned with Exterior Cleaning Xpert, and don't forget to give us a comment about your thoughts and how do you like our video, etc. And also remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get in touch with our channel very often without missing any contents. So I'll catch you with another video soon and let you to enjoy the video from now. Bye bye. This is the UPVC cleaner at the minute I'm using. It's all about chemical and low pressure. Take a look at this. I'm going to manually clear this because of the next door neighbor has some plants behind it. So without drizzling, I need to work here. So let's clean it manually here then. This way. Oh yes. Oh yeah. That came easily. That's really good. Now let's do these UPVC panels, and carefully I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do mostly manually scrubbing and with the low pressure, and also I'm going to maintain for this as well. These panels are not too bad, but for the safety reason I'm going to use the low pressure still, and going to wash these glass roofs which are not in a bad condition. They are looking okay. do the satisfying slabs washing, these parts and the patio. Maybe I need to go one more time with the chemical treatment later after cleaning the first thorough clean. Let's see how it goes. Look at these beautiful flowers, summer flowers. What kind of rose is it? There's a bee there. Bee. Look at this beautiful flower. find?
It's very nice, very nice.
It's good, yeah?
Yeah.
So I even cleaned that corner.
Yeah, I know. I've
Because
just seen it.
lots of leaves there.
Yeah.
And that was the surface completely grimy. I don't want to leave it.
Yeah.
For the grandma, I did maximum.
Thank you.
So
That's
I have
very
included
good.
that. You know,
Yes.
blasted all the leaves on the top as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Cleared all the gutters. I mean, we agreed they're just the side gutter.
Yeah.
But anyway, all these gutters are cleared as well.
Yeah, thank you.
So all looks nice.
Very nice,
I'm going
very
to give
nice.
a chemical treatment as well.
Yeah, sure.
All the spots disappear.
Okay, very good.
Happy?
Very happy.
Okay, that's it. Because you are a pensioner, I need to make sure everything good for you to
Yeah.
come and enjoy the summer now.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. Now this you clean this one. Now I can get. Yeah.
Because I have no other option. I have to move things
Yeah.
and then give a wash.
Yeah, I can sit out because sometimes I sit there.
All right.
So I'm just going to sit out in the summer.
All right.
So,
Thank you very much.
Thank you for.
So you give me a nice tea now. I'll carry
Okay, what do you want? Indian tea or English?
on. Indian tea.
Okay, no
Indian
problem.
tea. Okay.
Sugar?
Thank you. 2 sugar with me.
No problem.
Thank you. I'm going to apply some sodium hypo here and few slabs on the back garden as well. Look at those beautiful colors, looking beautiful. So this is the entrance bit. So the side walkway, all the slabs inside. It looks brand new again. Looks perfect. Grimy steps. And all the spots and stains are gone. Looks like brand new again. And also the path got its glorious condition back, and the flowers are happy as well. Bit of extra work here for the grandma, and grandma happy, I'm happy. A clean garden, clean house now. Hope you guys also happy and enjoyed the video, and stay tuned with Exterior Cleaning Xpert. I'll catch you with another one soon, and don't forget to check out my other videos, especially the roof cleaning, driveway cleaning, and all type of exterior cleaning videos. And give us your kind support and stay tuned. See you. Bye bye. So grandma, tell me, are you happy?
Yes, very happy. Thank
So
you.
you were happy with the maximum job?
Yes.
What I did today?
Yes.
I did some extra work for her and she's really happy.
I'm happy with the job.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay.
See you again.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye.
I will give you a ring.
Take
for
care,
the
yeah?
baby.
Stay healthy.
No.
God give you a long life, and see you later. Thank you.
I will give you a ring for the block baby.
Bye.